These will be the elevators at 4080 St. Catherine Street, Montreal, Quebec, and just found some original Lexans. All right, let's go to P2. These are nice. I'm gonna send this one up. I want to get the other one, the passenger elevator. Look at this. Beautiful. One of them just came. Perfect. Much nicer. And there's nothing blocking the button panel either. Up to 7. And here we go. Stopping. Yep, we're stopping on RC. What floor?
Up.
To the top?
To the top, penthouse.
Nice. All right, and you have a wonderful day, sir. Let's get a cab view. Obviously, the cabs have been redone. Hello. And that's been added. But aside from that, these are fully original. There's your 70s style Otis logo. There's the phone. And we'll watch P2 go out. Here we are. No classic leveling. There's your Otis interlock. Whoa! 7. Here we go. And we're stopping again. Your floor?
3, please. Thank you.
Oh, what floor?
Only 2 for the...
I'll go to 6. Thank you. Are you filming?
Not you, the elevators. They're old Otis elevators from like the 70s or so.
And they need upgrading?
I like them. I like them in original condition. Are these reliable or?
I think so.
That's good. No, I'm interested in mostly historic and old elevators mainly.
I mean, these aren't old.
Yeah, they're not historic or real old, but they aren't like modern either.
That for sure.
You have a wonderful day.
So, thank you.
All right. One more floor. Here we are on 7. I'll get off here.
Going down.
Yeah.
If we get the other one back, that's fine, but I wanted to get the one that doesn't have all the padding on the wall. But yeah, these are pretty nice, I have to say. This building definitely could have used more than 2 elevators, though. Good to know. And one of them's here. And it's this one. P2. Three. Heading down.
Down.
What floor? Or C?
Merci.
And you know what? We'll get off here. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.